Welcome back! Now we have live images of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. They come courtesy of the great tech YouTuber and Samsung insider TechTalkTv, link in the description. So here's our flat 6.7-inch display with minimal bezels on the side and a bit of a chin on the bottom. We have the 32 megapixel hole punch selfie camera and an in-display fingerprint scanner. On the right there is an antenna band, volume rocker, and power key. And I like how there isn't much of a camera bump here, so the phone is not gonna wobble on flat surfaces without a case. The phone is around 8.6mm thick, which isn't a bad thing at all, and you still have a curved back, so it should feel good in the hand. On the left side there is another antenna band and the SIM card tray, which should also house an SD card slot for up to 512GB of external storage if the internal 128 is enough for you. Now the back. You have your normal wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto lenses in addition to the flash, in that square design which looks better in reality than in renders. And it's the style that Samsung is adopting in 2020 for its flagships anyway, so yeah. But perhaps they had to do it because this phone has the largest battery ever on a Galaxy Note, even the Note 10 Plus, 4500 mAh. And you have support for 25-watt fast charging, but no wireless charging. S Pen has at least Bluetooth 5.0, so it's gonna be like the Note 9. There is also a headphone jack, and the phone has the same chipset as the S9 and Note 9, so Exynos 9810, coupled with 6 gigs of RAM. So this is perhaps the only downside of this device, but hey, this means you can purchase this phone for 609 euros/dollars or less, and 45,000 Indian rupees. Release date is expected to be mid-January, and man, the upcoming 2 months are gonna be full of exciting Samsung events. We have the artificial human coming in CES, which I covered in yesterday's video. We have the S10 Lite and Note 10 Lite, and in February we have the upcoming kinda affordable Galaxy Clamshell Fold, which is gonna have a flexible glass display for the first time on a fold, and finally the S11 family, which is gonna be known as the S20 family. Yes, Ice Universe says the 6.2 S11e is gonna be the S20, which is a smart decision similar to naming the successor to the iPhone XR simply iPhone 11. And the 6.7-inch Galaxy S11 is gonna be S20 Plus, and maybe the 6.9-inch S11 Plus is gonna be the S20 Ultra. I have already covered these devices in previous videos that you can watch through the S11 playlist, and I'm still gonna be covering all the exciting Samsung tech and more, so make sure to subscribe with notifications on and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. So happy 2020 everyone! I hope it becomes your best year so far, and thank you so much for all the support and likes and comments. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm gonna be continuing the grind. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.